I have noticed a few group of people that are led by one of the least knowledgeable person in the group, simply because the knowledgeable ones were not confident enough to volunteer themselves for leadership when the request was made. Hello visionaries, welcome back to my channel where I coach you on emotional intelligence application and performance management solutions for your continuous transformation. Today we are diving deep into a topic that I believe without doubt is the cornerstone of success. It is building confidence. So stick around, because by the end of this video you will be equipped with the actionable steps to build your confidence and aid your growth in your personal and professional lives. But before we unravel the secret of building confidence, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Alright, so let's get into it. So friends, have you ever met a confidence ignorant person before? I'm sure you must have met someone who lacks knowledge but is so confident. I have noticed a few group of people that are led by one of the least knowledgeable person in the group, simply because the knowledgeable ones were not confident enough to volunteer themselves for leadership when the request was made. And then afterwards, the knowledgeable ones are complaining that the confident ignorant person is not leading very well. Why would we have these anomalies? It's simply because of the cocktail of confidence. Confidence is a combination of knowledge and belief about self. The knowledge you have generally in life and the belief you have generally about yourself. That is why when you have to do something you are very knowledgeable about and you have a good sense of self-worth, you believe that you're good enough and there's nothing in your mind undermining your self-belief, you will feel confident about whatever it is that you want to do and you will do it gracefully. Now, here's an important twist. No matter how much knowledge you have about the thing you want to do, if you have an unhealthy belief about yourself, you believe you're not good enough, you believe people will laugh at you, laugh at your height, or laugh at your voice, your confidence will reduce in delivering that thing that you want to do. This is because although confidence is a mix of knowledge about a thing and self-belief, self-belief is still more potent than knowledge. And that is why, even though some people are not knowledgeable in a situation but have a good sense of self-worth, especially when they are not aware that they lack knowledge, you will see them show up with confidence. The secret is in their self-belief. What I have come to understand is that it is easier for such people to build knowledge and add to their already healthy self-belief than for those who have knowledge with unhealthy self-belief to build their own self-worth. It is easier to learn something new than to change a belief about self. So confidence is not just a state of mind, it is a skill that can be developed and refined. As a human resource and management consultant, I have witnessed the transformative power of confidence in leaders, aspiring leaders, and business owners. Everyone needs this confidence to flourish. Now, let's explore how you can cultivate confidence in your life. The first step to growing your confidence is to start by analyzing your self-belief. What are your core beliefs about yourself? What are your thoughts about your abilities? A, do you usually think that you have ability to get things done? Or B, you think you are always not achieving your goals? What are your thoughts about your potential? A, do you usually think that you have great potentials and you can see them unfolding gradually? Or B, you usually compare yourself with others and conclude that you don't have anything worthy to offer? What belief do you have about your growth? A, do you usually believe that you are advancing well in your life? Or B, all you see in your life is stagnancy? How do you react to challenges or failures in your life? A, do you see challenges or failures as opportunity for growth in your life? Or B, do you view difficulties as insurmountable obstacles? Pay attention to how you talk to yourself, especially during times of stress and challenges. A, is it positive and encouraging, or B, negative and self-defeating? How do you perceive feedback or criticism? A, do you view feedback as a chance to learn, or B, your view of feedback is a personal attack? I can go on and on and on. If you answered more of B to the questions I asked, then it is a sign that your sense of self-worth needs improvement, and this will most likely be undermining your confidence. So share your answers in the comment section. Which did you answer A for, and which did you answer B for? Now, I want you to listen very well. The belief you have about yourself is 100% relative. Beliefs are perceptions in your subconscious, and you can change them just like that. Those beliefs were created from things that you've heard people say about you, or certain conclusions you've made by comparing yourself with others. There's nothing concrete about beliefs. You can be blind and have a healthy belief about yourself. Ask the likes of Cobans and Stevie Wonder. You can be a short person and achieve greatness in life. Ask the likes of former Vice President Oshibajo. You can be a stammerer and still be a president. Check out President Biden of the United States of America, who has been a senator for years and a vice president and now a president. Your beauty has nothing to do with your capacity to achieve anything in life, but your sense of beauty. Your belief about your beauty can negatively affect you if it is unhealthy. Your size, whether you're fat or slim, is not a factor of success. Why have I said all of this? I have said them simply to let you know that there's nothing wrong with you. There's just something wrong with how you see yourself, and your belief has everything to do with your confidence. So today, take a good look at yourself and accept that anything you personally see as a deficiency, or anything that others have made you believe is not sufficient or adequate about you, is a lie. A lie in your subconscious. I mean, it's a lie. There's a lie in every belief. B-E-L-I-E, lie. F, B-E-L-I-E-F. There's a lie in every belief. So it's time to turn that lie into your truth. Accept yourself for who you are. If there's something you need to change and it can be changed, then you can go ahead and work on it. It's your choice, but don't forget, it's simply a preference, not a determinant of your success. So if you answered B, do all you can with all I have said to change your thoughts to A. Now, I have dealt with belief as one of the elements of confidence. Let's deal with the second part, which is knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's a small click for you, but a giant leap for your professional and personal growth. Now to the knowledge part. Let me paint a picture that a lot of you can relate with. Imagine a few times you've had to give a presentation. You would have noticed that you were more confident with a presentation that you were well prepared for than the ones you were shabbily prepared for. This is because confidence is premised on what you believe you know. Once there's a sense that I am knowledgeable about something, your confidence will be healthy. So these are the things you need to do with the knowledge part of confidence. One, you need to come to a realization that generally you can't know everything. This has helped me a lot. I know deep down within me that although I know a lot, I can't know everything. There are things that I am ignorant about, and it is okay. So I am not wondering, wishing that I know this or I know that to the extent that it will begin to reduce my confidence. No, I can confidently tell a participant in a training that I don't know the answer to your question, letting them know that I'll go and do a search on it. I can confidently ask other participants in a training to answer the question if they know it. It's not a problem for me. Why will the thought of what I don't know be a source of worry when there are several other things that I know? More importantly, however, is that I do not live an ignorant moment as an ignorant person. Once I recognize that I lack knowledge in an area of life that I deem important, I immediately work on getting the knowledge. Sometimes it is instant. I pick my phone and Google it, and then I grow in the knowledge of that issue right there. Other times, I set time to learn more about that area of life. That is one. Two, while you can't know everything, it is important for you to continue to grow in knowledge generally. Read wide about things that are generic and read deep about other things that are associated with your work and your competencies. This will boost your confidence. 3, if you have any assignment, any event, or any task that would place a demand on your knowledge and will make others create a perception about you, then ensure you prepare very, very well. Prepare to the extent that that task will be as simple as ABC. Listen, if you see other people doing very well in anything, it is not because they are superhumans. It is because they have mastered that thing through the process of practice and repetition. You are only some practices away from a better you in anything. This would also boost your confidence. 4, whenever you do anything from a knowledge perspective and it is below expectation, do not allow the situation create a conclusion about you. That situation is not the definition of your life. It is simply an event in your life. Failing is part of growth. So identify what you did not do well and leave the situation with a determination to increase capacity for another time. 5, when you are criticized, never forget that criticism is other people's perception about your work. Listen without judgment. If there's sense in the criticism, learn from it. If there's no sense in it, let it go. More criticism are coming. What I have done today is to help you use the tools of emotional intelligence to boost your confidence by improving your self-awareness, giving you intentional choices, and helping you to focus on what matters. That means being more aware, being more intentional, and being more purposeful. So share in the comment section what you have learned from today's episode and share with friends and families. Someone will definitely need this. Now, before you go, click on the video or playlist on your screen for more insight. I'm here to guide you on your path to success. Until the next episode, stay confident and keep practicing emotional intelligence.